Hello guys, you can add a select field or a drop down to your or proposals to let your recipients choose from number of options available in your content. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add a select field in your docs. To add a select field, go to the document builder and drag the select field. Say from here I can add different values. Let's say I want to add text to is and this is required, and then I can assign it to a recipient. When they view the document, they will be able to choose from one of these options. So this is how you add a select field in docs. Thank you.